so I shouldn't do
Hey
anything.
guys, welcome to Risk of Rain 2.
Hello everybody, welcome to Risk of Rain 2! I'm sorry.
Please leave. Dislike.
Anyway, let me invite you.
Alrighty.
You should have gotten the invite. Perfect!
Yippee!
I'll just pick your character.
Who's funny?
I'm going to not play Acrid because Acrid sucks. I love him though.
Okay, your specialty is like melee. Are you crowd control heavy or no?
I'm pretty much single target. Single target,
Okay.
and I could do crowd control if they're all like relatively clumped up.
In that case, I should not play Railgunner because crowd control goes crazy. Should we go robot duo?
This isn't a robot. It's like
It's not a robot.
it's like an exosuit.
Oh, I see.
Anyway,
The pulsating arm really threw me off.
otherwise, yeah, no, you could probably deal with sky enemies. Pretty much, I don't do anything against enemies in the sky.
So Robo duo
The Robo Duo
on medium.
on medium difficulty because we suck ass.
Why did I just not be in my cell?
Because you're a robot, you don't need to be. You don't need a protection cell.
I could have sworn the first time I played as fucking multi, I had a cell that I had to break out of. I guess not.
There's a big guy over here. We have to fight him.
No. Damn.
Yeah, it's my charge gauntlet though.
Is that the big boy attack?
Yeah, I literally have to charge it. It's like Falcon Punch.
Oh. Does the B reverse do more damage?
I had to reverse my charge gauntlet, or I'm just gonna die, I guess. Whatever, you got that. I'm gonna take.
Yo, backup mags goes crazy. For
Does it do
multi.
nothing for your skill, or does it actually do stuff?
I get more bombs.
That's well. If you have like leech and you see it, I see that being quite good.
And also my bomb stun, so it's quite good.
Oh. To
Like,
be
if
honest,
I-
I played multi literally once.
Uh-uh.
Okay, yeah, you deal with those sky guys. I'm going to probably try to find teleport. I found teleporter. As I'm saying, like, hey, I'm gonna find teleporter. I'm staring right at it.
Oh, that's... I mean...
Dude, like, the amount of times I've actually walked past a teleporter. Dude, like, literally last night when we were playing, I was playing as Acrid. Wait, no. I was playing as Cell. And I stopped by like this shop to buy something, and the teleporter was right behind me, and I didn't notice until I went back around. Can I?
I got this guy, guys. Don't worry.
We should probably loot up a little bit more before we fight the boss, or fight the boss now.
I think we fight the boss for the Shmoolah, and then we can just pop whatever we want in terms of chests.
Anyway, ooh, chest over here. You got razor wire. I got guillotine.
I don't remember what that does.
If it's an elite enemy, I kill them instantly if they're low health. But
I feel like elite enemies are like such a non-problem. Like I don't even notice half the time what's the difference between an elite and the non-elite.
I went way too far for my grapple. Great. Anyway.
Oh, brother. Why is this the first stage?
I
just noticed.
This is a DLC first stage.
Oh. Why are you up there?
I had to punch him.
I see.
Punch.
Bro is the grappler.
Oh no.
You can't even outrun it.
Anyway, he's dead. Bop.
I'm about to be dead too, Jesus.
Oh, multi-jump. That's actually pretty good. I'll try to. I'll try to get some attention.
I wonder what's for looting.
I wonder what's in these chests. If I can find
Wait,
it.
what is this? Fucking... Oh, it's a jumper.
The big jumper.
The big jumper says, boy, oi, 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 oi.
Oh, I found a void item. Yippee! Or I will be able to get a void. Bleed or topaz? Not bleed. Bleed would be really good because if I just do melee damage, it just. It
Goes
gives...
mentally insane.
Oh, this isn't a void item. This is a lunar pod. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna be honest. I don't want to waste my lunar coins. I don't have many.
I have one.
Even then, half the time I get a lunar pod, it just sucks.
Bro, what is with this item? I get it every time. Shipping request form.
They want me so bad. Dude,
I have a UPS subscription, bro.
bro, I spent all my money on a Shrine of Luck and got nothing.
Shrine of Misfortune. You can pop it, I guess.
Okay. Oh, dude, actually, that's actually probably really solid for you. Because
What?
if you get
the classes?
yeah, because it gives you higher critical hit chance.
Swagger.
Swaggeroni and cheese.
My favorite stage. What is this?
Dude, I hate this. I didn't realize where we were. I think my brain hates this stage so much. Shrine of the
This
Mountain.
one. Bro, who invited the Shrine of the Mountain?
You invited the
Challenge
Challenge of the Mountain. Dude, I cannot wait to die here.
It would be cool.
Oh my god.
Do not invite the second.
Dude, we're gonna get 6 items, bro. I'm telling you, it's gonna be worth it.
I don't think I've ever seen the double Challenge of the Mountain. If there's a triple, we have to go all in.
To all in, 100%.
Okay. Call me the gambler. Call me the gambling
They
sandwich.
call me the sandwich. They call me I punch people really hard.
They call me the... That's it.
They call me the...
They call me the reaction image.
Insert the image here. Evil McKill person. Bro, dude, where, the fact that, like, if I don't find the teleporter on this map instantly, I get pissed off.
What is this?
3D printer. I don't know what that item is, I'm gonna keep it real.
I think it's like red or gold.
Do I want... Yeah, we're gonna take this. Okay, let's fight you. Oh. So, why is it called Johnson and Johnson?
Soap. What?
The same guy who makes baby soap, dude. I pour their no-tear shampoo into my eyes.
I think what it actually means is no tear.
What?
Like it doesn't...
Like it doesn't tear what? Your hair? Why would it tear hair?
I don't know, but like... Fucking... It... What other option is there? If it makes you fucking tear up, like what other option is there? For it not to be false advertising.
No, I mean like no tear shampoo. Like it doesn't burn little kids' eyes.
But...
But
Shut up.
No tear shampoo.
Because I thought it was a thing that it actually did make you tear up.
Well, no, it's not supposed to. That's why it's called no tear shampoo.
They call me the shampoo enthusiast.
They call you dumb as fuck.
They call me Polish.
Ugh. They call me dumb as fuck. Dude, I just want to find this teleporter. I'm getting kind of annoyed. So I gotta fight these creatures. Not-
Bro, are you serious? You walked right past it.
Dude, I swear to God, I swear I didn't see it. I swear it wasn't there. I swear it wasn't there. I swear.
Cause you got this like shop thingy, and like you just left without. It's kind of like in like a fucking corner, so I assume you just went to the shop and then turned the other way and you didn't see it.
I swear that thing didn't take half my health. Ooh,
What the hell is that?
pretty good. It's encrusted. It's the rusted key.
Oh, corrupted version.
Yeah, which means it could find a little orb thingy on the ground. And
I need to heal.
where's the porter?
Right here, behind the wall.
Bro, I did walk past it. Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Ball activities. Let's just pop it and get the hell out of here. Keep in mind, it's a very tight space and Challenge of the Mountain ×2. So just get rid of these bells and pop it.
Popping.
Let the Challenge of the Mountain begin.
I be popping bottle.
Oh, that's not that bad.
I'm really doing a straight line. You know what that means? Dude, come on.
Oh, it is the meteor shower. Oh god, he's lasering me. I think if you go underwater, he stops lasering you. Do not quote me on that one though. Yeah.
You should probably just hide behind some shelter. Big
That would be
punch.
favorable. Also, it helps with the little guys, like... Well, it would help if the little guys surrounded them, because if you kill them, I get the gasoline an explosion. Get away!
We are pretty much focused on me, and I keep getting a bunch of shield. I keep punching them.
Fortuitous.
Where's the...
Is this the second challenge of the map?
Dude, there's no way he spawned inside the stage.
No, he's right here.
Okay, what's the teleporter at? Yeah, we can take a break from it. It's not even that uncharged. Anyway, I'm gonna hit him with the Falcon Punch.
Morbius punch. Sandwich punch.
Just Sandwich Punch. Sandwich Punch Part 2.
They call me the knuckle sandwich.
Yeah, he did. What
Dead
goodies
as hell.
await us at the teleporter? We should have 6 goodies. Or 3 for each of... Okay, I guess so. Oh. Wow, dude, this has sucked.
Awesome. Thanks,
Whatever, let's
challenge
just
of the
leave. I
mountain.
don't care.
Titanic cringe.
Well,
Even
to be
does
fair,
this thing do-
it boosts health and regeneration.
Oh, that's pretty good.
That's pretty good, but we got, like... Whatever's tome, or whatever. Did I not? Okay, I was like, did I not press the button?
Or walks past the teleporter again.
Okay, actually,
The air begins to burn. What does this mean?
I don't know, but that kind of scares me. I'm gonna be 100% honest.
I feel like it said that the last time we were here too, and nothing special happened.
I don't know what the air begins to burn mean.
Lunar Pod by Zave.
I'm gonna use this as a grapple point. This time I promise not to walk past the
Telly,
telly. I promise.
you better, or else.
Uh,
I'm not helping you in the Mithrix fight.
remote.
Yo.
Ooh, firework build. Firework. I found the telly.
Sensational.
It's over here. I'm gonna lodge that in my brain, and then I'll eventually forget about it.
Void-eyed or crested key box?
The thing is, I would like to get that, but the only issue is, like, I don't want to waste my one encrusted key on it.
Well, what else are you gonna use it on?
Other ones, if I find more. Oh, there's so many sky enemies over here. Oh boy.
Not anymore. Like, oh, those ones. Hey. Who's
Oh,
attacking?
I found a rusted key, which means it got corrupted, which means I can possibly get a void item. Which would be really cool and swagger if it works, but I doubt that it will. Lunar coin, you can have it.
Epic. Doesn't the fucking key get corrupted by your encrusted thing?
Yeah, that's the point. Ooh. Yep. Weeping fungus. I'm goated with the sauce. I heal while running.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, no, it takes place in that other fungus where you have to heal while standing still. Which, in my opinion, is
Unquestionably mid.
which is like a really good corrupts, because I hate that item anyway. I'll pop the telly. Do not.
Shrine of Order.
Oh, it's the Grove Tender. Hi, buddy.
Hey, blood.
Dude, he spawns so many flying things. I just punched all of them as they spawned, and I just froze in place for like a solid 2 seconds.
Fortuitous.
Anyway, I'm just gonna keep punching him, bro. I'm gonna keep punching him, bro. Watch my health go up. I'm at 1,000 health right now.
Sensational. Where's my vending machine? There's my vending machine.
Ooh. You can taste those leeching seeds.
Ooh, leeching seed. Do you not want the other one?
Yeah, no, you can take them. I don't really need all that healing. Because I already run and heal. But I read you actually have decent healing items compared to me having this leeching seed. Because I hit so slowly.
Yeah, fair.
And you have rapid fire. So it's a lot better for your kit than mine. Do you want to teleport?
Yeah, you can hit it.
Just heard your tougher times go off. I love the tougher times, like, sound design.
Sound effect.
It's such a good, like, it's
Not
just
this
good.
place.
Okay, this place isn't that bad for looting purposes,
I'm gonna hit this Shrine of Combat.
but it absolutely sucks
Fighting.
for just, not even fighting, just finding the telly. I feel like it's so hard to find the telly here.
Yeah, and then you get hit by some fireball and lose half your health. Stupid goddamn mushrooms, I swear.
I'm gonna try to clear this, this void monster zone. That is gonna be really hard to fight. Okay. That's cool. Oh, I'm in the zone. Okay. That would explain why I'm just taking a bunch of damage.
Why is there a Lovecraftian horror at the side of my screen? Oh,
Comical?
he's doing that.
Oh, this is gonna be really fun.
What happened?
I gotta fight this creature of darkness.
The creature of the night, if you will.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Stop healing.
I love healing.
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to this mushroom
I
abomination.
know, I'm joking. Oh, wow, that's a lot of thingamabobs and whatchamacallits over there.
Thingamadoodads, if you will.
Thingamadudes.
Successfully raised $2,000 for the
Lovecraftian horrors.
the Lovecraftian Horror Foundation. Elon Musk simulator.
Elon Musk Simulator, aka just making bad business decisions simulator. Dude, there's so many golems on me, bro. I'm gonna punch all of them.
In my opinion, this stage's theme is better than the fucking purple.
Then the
Sky
purple.
Meadow.
Oh, yeah, no, I agree. I do like the I like the theme of the stage. Like, I love it a lot. But
Sky Meadow or this?
this. I like this.
The
I like this
aesthetic.
stage theme like a lot more. And then there's also a creature up here that I have to. Oh, he is really scary. He's a Lovecraftian horror. He shoots
Oh,
down
God.
missiles. Oh, I stunned him. Let's go. I'll just follow you down. I don't even take fall damage. You're the one who takes fall damage. Punch. Matrichoda. I must kill him.
Where is this so-called Lovecraftian horror? Oh
He's
god.
dead. Yeah, that he was that. It was like a shrimp or something. Oh, our guy's almost dead. Wait, there's one more void creature. I thought he was the last void creature. Oh, he's over here.
We don't have any healing drones, I just noticed that.
We should probably do something about that. Overloading blazing? What's going on with you?
Bullshit blazing?
That's literally what went through my head. I'm like, dude, this is a Guilty Gear reference.
The 2012 Guilty Gear reference. How'd you get rid of this stupid fucking void zone?
I had to kill this last little creature, and he keeps healing. There we go. Now he's dead. The void collapses. Yay.
Finally.
Want
Riddance.
to leave. Anyway, let's fight this guy. Let's do the teleporter.
I'll just call down a... Not you again. This is the other challenge of the mountain.
The true challenge of the mountain. That was fairly anticlimactic compared to the other time. The randomly what we just went to, that was fairly anticlimactic. Or what we just fought, that's what I mean.
Because we didn't invite 15 challenges of the mountain.
We didn't
We did not
invite-
invite a mountain range worth of challenges. Okay, what's
Dude,
for
I
dinner?
don't want any more of these, bro. Stop.
God damn it.
I gotta. If you find a recycler, we should probably find one of those. Because I'm actually. Also, we should probably buy loot here. I haven't looted up here, like, at all.
I've bought a few chests. Oh, nice.
I hate these little spinning guys, bro. It's really. I hate the smaller enemies more than I hate the bigger ones.
They're harder to hit. Let's go look for stuff off the telly so we can get out of this wretched place. Because we're already on ha ha ha.
Oh, that's. That's fairly scary.
It's not getting any worse. What even is this? The backup? Oh, that's pretty good.
No, the backup's alright. The crowdfunder's actually. The crowdfunder might be good for me. Because I don't have any, like, ranged options.
Perchance.
Dude, what did I just get
scrapper range.
slowed by?
What happened?
Creatures, 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 creatures.
Oh, you should consider running.
See, if I run, I heal. That's why you should consider Rock.
Exactly. That is a big boy. Biggest boy, if you will.
What am I connected to? I thought I was connected to him.
Charizard, get out of my face.
Okay, he's alive again.
Call down a vending machine. Oh, hey, void creature. I mean, energy being.
And the big boy is now dead.
What is that move that Akuma has?
Raging Demon.
The one where he, like, teleports forward or backwards?
I forget what the move's called. Was it because Raging Demon's the one where he like goes forward and says die 1,000 deaths,
Not that one.
and then it like the screen flashes to white.
Cause like this is one picture where it's like get whatever the move's name is called, kid, and it's just Akuma with the 3 sprites behind him. That's what I imagine the energy beings
I think it's
are
like
mimicking.
Getsu or something like that.
Deku!
Shut up.
Do I have any white packages? No. Dude, Challenge of the Mountain.
I found the telly, but to be fair, I find the teleporter is probably gonna be the easier part. And then I say we don't loop, because if we loop Mithrix, it's gonna get harder. So, ooh, safer spaces. Forever, if we're gonna loop. Why is Charizard running away from me, bro?
You don't want the smoke, man.
I did just deck him in the face and deal half of his health.
Deku him in the face?
Stop!
Comedy genius. Is this cautious slug? There is a encrusted lockbox up here.
But, I mean, I need an... Actually, at this point, I don't need another key. Will it give me another void, or will it give me a green? Ooh.
There is a missile launcher here. That's better than the egg.
Ooh, come here, come here, come here.
What?
Weeping fungus.
What is it?
Run and heal.
Ooh. I think it is better than the egg. And I have 2 of them. This is pretty good.
You see, it's like considerable too. It's not even like bad healing or anything. It's actually like pretty solid. Ooh, another void. I'll take this. Give it to me, thank you. Plasma shrimp. An item or something?
I think let's just get out of here.
I agree. Let's do that.
It's aligned with the...
Moon. So we're going to moon.
I don't like this. I clipped to the bottom of the stage.
Did you? Okay, well, at least you're not gonna die.
I clipped, no, through the bottom of the mountain, I should say. I'm still alive and well.
Oh, wow, I took a lot of damage there. Okay. There's like 1 billion Charizards, bro. God damn.
Awesome.
I need you to screw off. Bro, again!
Is this the sun burning?
Yeah, the sun is burning, and it's dealing a lot of... Okay, well, there goes all of our drones.
Oh god, that's awesome. Well, at least we have a lot of money to repair then.
Money, money, money.
Stupid grandparent. I hate you. I didn't mean all those sun- oh, what the fuck? Did you see me get launched? He fucking multiplied my horizontal velocity by 1,000,000.
Oh, he's gonna burn.
I'm underneath the stage, so whatever.
I can't
Something itch-
even really do anything to him either. There we go, I got him.
Okay, we need to repair all the drones before we leave.
I could also mark a lot of the drones. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Oh, great, we can't repair Big Boy. Okay.
What? Why not?
It's just... I don't think we can. Because he would be right here. He's like right here, you see? But it's just... Nah. Oh yeah, we just gotta wait for the teleporter to fully charge. I'm gonna buy, I guess, the rest of the drones here. Then now I guess I can go around repairing the drones. Healing drones here. I can also mark all the drones real quick. Get an idea of where they're at.
Okay.
There's a bunch over here.
Dude, rest in peace, Big Boy.
Ooh. Actually, I don't know how much that'll help me. I feel like that'll actually help me during the Mithrix fight, but not by much.
Dude, I just hear my fucking parents watching Family Feud downstairs.
I was fully expecting Family Guy. I'm gonna be honest.
I can hear the sound effects from the
Steve,
board.
you Steve Harvey going, huh? With the inappropriate answer.
What would a male and a female be doing in a bedroom by themselves?
By themselves at
to
night.
show their love. Pull out penis. Oh hell nah.
Mithrix again because I have the shrimp. Anyway, we should leave.
Before he gets too strong.
Well, he's not getting any stronger. At least I don't think so.
Every minute he gains 1,000,000 health.
He gains at least 3 health.
At least 3.
It's funny how, like...
Connecticut. Yeah?
Sorry, my brain just stopped. Anyway, it's kind of funny that, ever since we just started recording, this is our
Yeah.
best run. Like, our best run at normal.
That is true. We're going to get slapped by Mithrix at least a little bit.
And we're not petting the frog because I don't have enough coins.
I only have $2 moon currency. I already see the lunar chimeras, dude.
I still have to catch up.
Oh, this was not the best idea then. Is he
Wait,
locked over there?
If you can deal decent damage, that's fine.
I hate you, lunar stupid circles. turn you into meatballs.
Meatball.
The best thing about making meatballs is knowing that Mithrix can't have them. What is shooting me, and how can I make it stop?
Lunar Chimera.
Stupid fucking helicopter. Go back to Metal Gear.
No. Go missiles, go!
Oh my god! Dude, I just took so much damage. I don't know what's doing it, the helicopters or the ground things. It's probably the helicopters. Busted as hell. Oh, of course, there is other things happening as well.
Dude, I was going for a charge punch, and it literally just pushed me away. Ow, 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 stop.
Ooh, we should get away from this place. We are not getting anything. Fucking...
Dude, it's this like enhanced Lunar Chimera. We're gonna know.
vending machine, if you need it.
I'm just gonna spam missiles while I'm in cover. It went after one of the I hate you.
Why am I slowed? I can just spam the vending machine. I have infinite money. We don't need it for anything on this stupid fucking place. Always naysaying.
Oh, did I die too? Look. What?
What the fuck?
Dude, why? Why did I die? I just died out of nowhere. It's game theory's fault.
Fuck you, Matt Pat.
Matt, dude, that's kind of collided with launch.
Why is there no Risk of Rain video?
So Matt Pat, what's a Risk of Rain video? Oh, four. There's
Oh my god.
Okay, the red one takes health. The creature.
The creature spawns. Okay, I should probably take some preemptive measures and put a vending machine in the middle, so I can just grab it whenever. If it'll even spawn down here, I hope.
They all take health.
Oh, splendid.
No, I should just be Acrid next run, because I'm just better with Acrid.
Of course, he's better with the gimmick character.
Surprise, surprise, I love my gimmicks. Waiter, more gimmicks,
please. Gimmick hive mind. Okay, I'm out of here. Mithrix! I have $93,000.
Just put down the remote caffeinator and just spam it, bro.
Just hide behind a fucking...
The remote
like,
caffeinator.
wall. behind the vending machine.
Dude, you're gonna take so much fault. Oh, turn around, there's a lunar coin. This is where I died, because I wanted the lunar coin. I think you can see my corpse if you turn around. Right there to the left. Oh, forward more. To the
See
left.
it's right here.
Oh, on your screen it's there? I'm like, okay, get out of there, I'm sorry.
SpongeBob. Please. Okay. Oh, sorry, Mithrix. He's like the fireworks.
No, the fireworks are spinning. They don't know what the. Oh no.
That is a problem and a half.
Damn. Okay, I don't think this phase is gonna be that hard. I think the phase after this is gonna be a lot harder.
Yes.
Because the final phase isn't hard, like at all. I can't believe I died. I'm so pissed.
Bro, trash at the game.
Dude,
Yeah, outplayed.
I died to nothing. Literally, it was just like, yeah, just get smited.
Dude, you should make an edit just like of a fast forward and just zoom it on the timer. With like the silly YouTube music like bam, 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 bam. Why am I not focusing the helis? I can't reach you up there. Vending machine.
Get down here.
These guys are also a problem.
They're just like they tell you that the tanks, which will like hit you for the hardest, are just not an issue. You can just avoid the.
Where's the vending machine?
It's in that pile of creatures.
New one. I need firework damage. Jesus, they have so much health. Stop not running.
Stop lasering me.
Okay. Like the fucking Lightning Larry Luciano, he's almost a quarter of the way there.
I don't know what you're referencing, I'm sorry.
You know, the one episode of SpongeBob where it's a fucking snail race, and they have the old ass snail, fucking walking the torch, or the flyer to the torch.
Almost a
That
quarter of
announcer,
the way
he's
there.
like, he's almost a quarter of the way there. And then some guy just picks him up and runs into the fucking torch. Like, alright, the game's gonna begin. It's the one with the fucking pet rock that Patrick has.
Yeah, doesn't the pet rock end up winning? Okay, how much health does he have now? I forget if he lands or okay. Yeah. He has like oh my, he has like 60k more health.
300,000 more. Or yeah, 30k more health. Cause it was 160. Okay, helicopters, no, thank you. I guess with just the tank, I can focus him for now.
But it's kind of a case like if you focus too much, then.
Okay,
Then
now
stack
these
up.
guys. Not a fan.
That is no good.
Creatures up to no good. Moon creatures up to no good. Ooh, get gasoline to Mithrix.
You guys are doing pretty good damage to Mithrix right now.
Do not let me touch that. I touched it. Bye.
Bye, have a great time.
Thank you, Mr. Family Guy.
Oh my
I thought
god.
I died.